right this way. Right this way. There's your blindfold. All right, Grandma. Take it easy. So that's not the real present, Grandma. The real present's over here. Our cousin Marcello. Oh my gosh, Grandma. Grandma, that's our cousin Marcello. Grandma! Marcello stinks. Marcello stinks. I'm sorry, Grandma. Oh my gosh, Grandma. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Grandma. Oh my gosh. That's Marcello.